What's up, everybody? It's my favorite time of year. It's harvest time. Good morning, YouTube. My name is Jordan Scott. This is my channel, Scott Family Farms. And on this channel I talk about farming, the daily life of a farmer, and the equipment we use. Today we are out in the bean field. We are harvesting soybeans. We started yesterday. The beans in this field are dry enough to go, so the plant has to actually dry down so that our machines can actually process all the plant matter coming through. If the plant's too wet, it won't run through the machine and it'll plug up, and it will not work, as I found out this morning when it was too wet still.
I'm an idiot! You're an idiot!
The dew will actually change that, so you can't start too early, and I found that out the hard way today. We got that field done. That's a good feeling. This is our first field soybeans this year that we're ready. Dad's hauling with the truck. Our semi is still in the shop, so we just have the short straight truck to use and the grain cart. But we're gonna get the bean head off of the combine now and take it all home and wait for the next field to get ready.
Roll that beautiful bean footage.
We are in the combine harvesting some beans. The plants are not quite dead yet, so they're still a little green in areas.
That's because I'm green, isn't it?
But the beans are dry. They're running about 11 to 12% here, which is perfect. So we will keep going and get as many beans out as we can. Today we're doing some Pioneer beans. We plant a bunch of different varieties of beans and different companies also, competing companies.
Welcome to another edition of Thunderdome!
We like to see what each company has to offer and make the best decision next year going forward because of that. The beans we're doing today are from Brown Seed Company out of Brandon. If you guys are in that area, look them up. Their service is fantastic. The owners, Joey and Tom Brown, are just great guys and will give you the shirt off their back if you need it.
Hey, you guys had shirts on when you came in here.
There's something happened to him, man.
Check them out if you want something Pioneer based. They also do chemicals, so check them out. Now you might have noticed that I'm not steering at all. We are using GPS today to steer the combine. Keeps us on the right path. We are combining at an angle, which I'll show you. Now why are we combining at an angle? Well, the sickle on the bean head has blades in it that move back and forth and cut. If you go with the rows, it will wear on that blade in one spot on the head. If you go at an angle, the beans feed through the head at an angle and each blade wears out at the same time. That's one of the reasons. It's also so if you were going straight and using GPS, you might get the end of your head going right down a row and you would run over that row rather than pick it up and harvest it. So there's a couple different reasons for the angle, and it works good, and we just keep going. Hey, it's another nice day out here on Scott Family Farms. We are getting more beans. We're up north on our north ground. I just filled up the truck, so I got to take that in. Dad's down on the bottom of the hill doing some combining. My sister and her family are out riding along, so there's 2 kids and my sister and her husband hauling the combine right now. It's a little crowded, but that's good. We like to have family come ride, so or anybody really. It doesn't have to be family. But I got the truck loaded up, ready to go. We're full, so we gotta put a tarp on it and then take it into the elevator and unload. There we go. I don't know if you guys have seen this truck yet. We only use it for harvest, but there she is. It's our big truck. We had it in the shop. It had a DEF issue, which is diesel exhaust fluid. It had an error code, so we just had to get that fixed before we could reuse it. And now that it's fixed, we're good to go. Sounds like one of the back wheels came off, but I hope that's not what happened. Guess we'll find out.